Hello friends, now we are going to solve numerical number 1 based on short transmission line. A given question is a 50 Hz 3-phase transmission line has an impedance of 10 plus J31.4 and deliver a load of 35 megawatt at 132 kV. Full stop. The load power factor is 0.8 lagging. Determine sending in voltage, sending in power factor, voltage regulation and efficiency. So now what we are going to do, we are going to first draw the system. We have three-phase system. So let us assume this is three-phase generator. Here we have three-phase generator like this. And this is the voltage Vs, this is the voltage Vs, line to line terminal voltage Vs, and we have transmission line parameter 10 plus J31.4. We have impedance 10 plus J31.4 and further we have load. Further we have load. Am I drawing the load? Basically I'm not concerning for the RYB sequence, there will be no effect here. So I'm directly connecting here, but if you want to connect rightly, then you can connect this phase to this and this phase to this, but do not need to worry. So P value has been given as 35 megawatt and power factor 0.8 lagging. At voltage level, how much? The voltage of receiving end is VR value is equal to 132 kV. So now what we have been asking, Vs, then first we will find out the value of Vs, but I am writing here the value 10 plus J31.4 ohm, and we always know that impedance always used to be in per phase basis, so do not need to mention. If per phase is not mentioned, you have to understand that this impedance has been given in ohm value and per phase value. So now we have all the value. If you want to calculate the value of Vs, so then Vs we have to calculate Vs per phase. So right now I am writing Vs per phase. Why I am writing per phase, you will understand. Why Vs per phase equal to Vr per phase plus this IR, this will be IR into Z. This Z is in per phase, this Z is in per phase, that is why we are writing the whole equation in per phase. So Vs per phase we are calculating, take Vr as reference. Take Vr as reference, so Vr value will be equal to 132 at the angle of 0 degree line voltage. So Vr per phase, how much? Vr per phase will be equal to 132 upon root 3 at the angle of 0 kV. So now we are going to write the value Vs per phase. We can write Vs per Vr per phase means 132 upon root 3 angle of 0. I am not writing angle of 0 into 10 to the power 3 plus IR value. We need to calculate the value of IR. So all the values has been given. P value has been given. So P value we know that V into I into cos phi for single phase, but here the load has been given is 3 phase, so we must calculate P is equal to root 3 times of V into I into cos phi. So 35 into 10 to the power 6 is equal to 1 root 3 times of 132 into 10 to the power 3 into IR, basically IR into 0.8. So you will calculate the magnitude of IR, that is coming to be 191.35. So this is the magnitude, but when we will write the vector IR is equal to 191.35, it is if we are receiving in voltage is taken as reference, so current is lagging, so here we will write minus 36.86 ampere. So this is the value of current. Now I'm going to put in this equation Vs per phase. So 191.35 at the angle of minus 36.86 into Z value has been given 10 plus J into 31.4. So this is all the value. So Vs per phase, while calculating from here Vs per phase, we can write Vs per phase is coming out to be, when we will calculate, that is 81.027 at the angle of 2.575 2.575 degree. So this is the value of Vs per phase, but the question is not asking per phase directly, simply the Vs has been asked. So Vs has been asked means the line voltage has been asked. So root 3 times of 81.027 at the angle of 2.575 degree. So this is coming out to be 141.03 141.03 at the angle of 2.578. So this is kilovolt. So this is our sending in voltage. Now we have to calculate the value of sending in power factor. So we have calculated Vs value is equal to 141.03 at the angle of 2.578 kilovolt. So now we know the phasor diagram. We know the phasor diagram in case of lagging power factor. This is VR and this is IR. Okay, this is IR and this is VR. The angle difference between them is phi r. So this is R into IR and this is IR into XL. This is IR into XL. So this value will be equal to Vs. Okay. So this whole angle between IR is equal to IS. We also know that the whole angle this will be called as phi S. So Vs we have calculated 2.578 and this angle phi r is equal to 36.86. The whole angle will be, so second point is cos phi s will be equal to, sending in power factor will be cos of 2.578 plus 36.86 lagging. So this is coming out to be 0.772 lagging. Now the third point we are discussing, that is percentage voltage regulation. Percentage voltage regulation is equal to Vs upon A, but A value we have calculated 1 in case of short transmission line. So Vs minus Vr upon Vr into 100%. This voltage regulation value will change whenever we are going to take the difference transmission line. So Vs value we calculated 141.03 minus 132 upon 132 into 100%. So this is coming out to be 6.842%. Now this is the third point. Now the fourth important point is efficiency. So for efficiency we must know that P loss will be equal to IR square into R. You can see this is the per phase, and when you multiply by 3, this will be the 3-phase power loss. 3 into 191.35 square into R. R means 10, and this is coming out to be 1.09 megawatt. 1.09 megawatt. So the efficiency, percentage efficiency will be P output means 35 upon P output 35 plus loss 1.09 into 100%. So the percentage efficiency is coming, that is 96.97%. So here it is all about this numerical. Thank you.